Yes, hello. This is my accomplishment report for today. On the reply cleaner, I was just checking and monitoring the server logs for hidden issues related to storage again. And so far, there was no issue based on the logs for this day. On the HSNM project, I was recreating the scenario from the reported issue on which on from Sir Matt that the comment count is different from the data crawled. On the product, it only have like 1K comments, but the crawl data comment have around 100,000 records. So this issue is was investigate. I was investigating on this one, and I just review and do step by step debugging and crawling and check if there was an issue with the logic and research what causes this problem. So far, I don't have any idea of Python, and I am Python. So this is not my main programming language. I am still researching and find answers and solution for this problem. But so far, I did not have the valid reasoning or valid result of what causes this discrepancy or not consistent on the displayed comments from the crawl. And I think I need more time to research on this one. For other projects, Human Green, I just merged the PR of Sir Cedric's, and on the Smart Matching Hub, I just request for Sir Joseph to add the CI/CD pipeline notification on the Slacks when the merge is failed or a success. That's all for my report. Thank you.